I'm about to jump in the water, not holding the fidget spinners because I don't want the middle of it to rust, anything like that. I keep my spinners in tip-top shape. You can click the link below for the oil that I use to loosen them up. WD-40. WD-40. You might have heard of it. Here's a cool trick I like to do. They're going in each other right now. You can see it slows down a bit.
Okay, I'm about to jump in.
Get away from my fidget spinners. Who do you think you are? Hold on. Josh is about to freaking do some crazy stuff. What are you gonna do, Josh? What's happening today?
Front flip.